Okay, the first one that we will talk about is list the specific process or steps for requesting a leave. So in as much as you're done already, teacher Christina, do you know how to file a leave already from the, let's say from the itongzuo.com?
Uh, from the video I have seen, we have to file a leave from the system. In the system, we will be able to see file a leave, and then we have to create.
Yes,
Yes, that's
yeah,
what I have learned.
we have to create. Just to briefly show it to you here. Hang on a bit. So let's say this is your page. Can you see itongzuo.com? itongzuo.com. Can you see it? Teacher Howard, can you see?
Yes, we can see it.
Yes,
Ma'am.
we can see
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Thank you, Teacher Jerain. I'm going to open one teacher's page. Let's say Teacher Alvin. So let's say this is your page. You can find it here. Too small, right? So you go, make it bigger. And then as you can see here, here are the functions of the teacher's account. Let me see here, leave, ito. So you were saying, teacher Christina, that you need to create. That's right, ito, new created. So click that. And then let's say it's a sick leave. You can choose annual leave, private leave, sick leave, and then start time. I usually just click like 1 day. So let's say Feb, what's the date today? 25, 5 Feb 25, and then up to the next day, kunwari 1 day, up to Feb 26. So it will generate here, and then I put the reason for the sick leave. Syempre, pag sick leave, there has to have an attachment. So I know it that, for instance, kunwari sore throat, wala naman yung doctor certificate. So pwedeng yung mga medicines that you use for that. Then upload. What's gonna happen is that I will receive the leave, and then from my system, there will be two that will approve that. So one coming from me and another coming from our office. So you just need to check the status of your leave. And apart from that, let me share it with you, because let's say you are already in the GC, because like for instance, see teacher Christina is already in the GC of Skype. So since teacher Christina is in GE, so for the GE teachers, I have some announcement on how to do it. Teacher Christina, all of you, you need to pay attention on what are the steps, because you need to give me the specific process and steps for requesting the leave. So as you can see here, every week I will have an announcement and say, for this period, which is like you need to open 4 weeks in advance, right? So I ask you every Friday or Saturday to open 4 weeks in advance. So depending on the number of hours, then that's what you open. And then towards here, you can see here, this is the procedure. You need to inform me that you have already filed the leave. Then if you have done filing the leave, they inform me, right? And it has to be in advance. Kasi nga, kung meron na kayong bookings, then sayang naman yung cancellation nyo. You get it? So it's better to file it like maybe, ako, when I file my leave, way in advance. Kung talagang alam ko meron akong lakad. So if you can do it 2-3 months in advance is better. Para talagang klarong-klaro dun sa system nyo, wala kayong ika-cancel na booking. But let's say it's an emergency leave, then pwede naman. Let's say hospitalized or something like that, right? Well, naman sana. But I just need some attachment for that in order for me to approve it and then the office to approve it as well. So ang keyword dyan is to file in advance and inform me. And then it doesn't work automatically. You need to close it. So what's going to happen here is, let's say, let's go back to the system now. That's itemzuo, right? Let me share it with you. So if this is the file of, let's say you file the leave, it's you're gonna file a leave to let's say tomorrow, 26 to 27. So what you're gonna do is, this is your free time. This is your schedule. You need to close it. Kunwari, approve na. Makikita mo na sa system mo dito sa leave that it has been approved. So for tomorrow, you see wala pa siyang booking, may isa lang. So you need to manually close it. You need to close it. Okay. So, kasi yung iba, kahit na may leave, approved leave, pag hindi nila na-close, papasukan ng student. Kasi nga, it's online. Okay? So, Teacher Howard, I need you to write it down so that you know the steps. And Teacher Christina, because you need to submit to me, and then I need to attach that in the tracker because you are in the full-time
Yes, Tian.
training. Okay, si Teacher Jorin, iba yung plan niya kasi. So it's fine. It's good to know also because she's gonna use that as well. So let me go to the second one. So the second one, can you read it, Teacher Christina?
Please list the specific process or steps for canceling a lesson.
Okay. Nakuha mo na to? You're done with day 2 and 3, right, Teacher Christina? Okay. What's the steps? Or what are the steps?
I tried to watch the video and it's also the same. We have to file, or the processes go to the system. And then we have to cancel the lesson there.
Okay, actually, it depends. Let's say, meron ka ng regular students. So, ang sinasabi ni Teacher Christina, ano yon? Normal lessons. It means student mo na yon, yung kakancelin mo. It's just for you to leave a message to your student and say, kunwari, ikaw yung student ko, Teacher Howard. I can leave a message and say, hey Howard, I'm very sorry that something urgent came up. I have a family, whatever. I'm really sorry that I can't make it to our class today, but I'll make sure that my schedule has more than free slots for you to book. You know, it's something that for you to feel good, even if I canceled today. So you're going to do that in your system. Let me show that. Okay, here. Wait a minute. Where is it? Share screen. I think I'd better share screen lahat. Okay, this one. So let's say normal lesson. So this one. Normal lesson, walang AP. So, Freddy. You see, bakit siya normal lesson? Paano mo malalaman? Ayun o, NL, nakalagay, IELTS. And then, as you can see here, meron siyang class comment. Dito ka pwede mag-comment. And then, may pop-up dyan, kasi ano to it's something done. Kung something, a class that is for the future, meron ditong save button. So, como past class na siya, completed class na siya eh. So, okay na siya. Hindi ka na makaka-leave ng comment. Pero let's say this is something for tomorrow, meron kang, you can leave a comment here for your student and then save. May save button dyan. Okay? Hindi ko na ipapakita yon. It's easy to see. It's somewhere here lang naman, yung save button. Apart from that, you should also, can you see my Skype here?
No, ma'am.
No.
You can. Okay. Kailangan pala super share. Okay. Okay, Skype naman. So, kailangan mo ring mag-advise sa TM, that's me, and to your TA. Unahin na si TA kasi si TA ang mag-a-advise kay student. So, ang gagawin mo, class ID. Okay, wait. Share lang. So, kunwari, ang gusto mong cancelin is this class, which is past na. Ayokong galawin yung current. You get that ID here. Tapos, I'll send it here pero sa Skype to dapat ipapadala. So, you can see what information is there in copy ID. See that? Andyan yung name, student ID, time, tapos yung length of this class. So, let's say this class, gusto mo siyang ipa-cancel. So, always send the class ID and then you have to inform your TA. Remarks. TA, I'm very sorry that I need to cancel this class because I have something urgent that I didn't foresee, blah, blah, blah. I'm very sorry. Please apologize for me, for my student. But I already opened my schedule for the succeeding days so that my student can rebook his or her class. So FYI, para kasi yung mga TA ang nagbibigay sa inyo ng mga classes. So pwedeng student nila yon, pag hindi ka nag-notify, they will feel bad na, oh nga, you can do it from your system, but you need to duly advise. Okay? So, of course, you have to notify me too kasi pag hinanap kayo ng whoever, student or TA, I know what happened to you. Let's see a future class here. Today, but tomorrow. You see here, ayan, may save button na red. Actually, kung no, whichever class is that, let's say, magti-TNC ka or emergency cancel. So, i-click mo to, teacher emergency cancel, save, tapos you can leave a comment here. And then, click here, send the message to your TA here. Ang TA kasi nasa Skype. So, kailangan ng Skype parating meron ka sa desktop, meron ka rin sa mobile phone. Just in case, let's say maghang yung PC mo, you can still send a message in your mobile phone. Also, in the mobile phone, you can open the system. Pwede. Just ask me. Sorry. Ito kay Teacher Eden. Meron siyang nagkaroon ng outage sa area niya. So ganyan, good evening, blah, blah, blah. Tapos yung message, tapos may class ID. Okay. That's for cancellation. Ito kasi is, let's say wala pa si student. So ganun din, class ID, tapos please remind my student, I've already clicked class remind. Ito yung class remind. So all the time when you coordinate with your TA, parating my class ID. So that, kasi yung mga TAs, madaming students na kinakausap, maraming teachers na hinahandle. So every time that you need to, like for this specific student, you have to put this information so that TA will know that this one is for this specific class. Okay? So, yung TA mo, siya ngayon ang magtatag dun sa kung sino mang other TAs yon na in charge for that student. Okay. So, that's how you can cancel the class. If it's an ET class, yung hindi siya normal class, you cannot cancel it on your own. Normal lessons lang. So, you can cancel here in TAGC. So, Teacher Christina, you'd probably have a class soon. Ganito yung class remind.
Okay,
So
noted
it's
po,
something
Tia.
like this. Please help me remind my student, blah, blah, blah. I'm waiting for her. Yeah, that's the bahala ka sa message. Tapos, when you send this, you have already clicked class remind here. That's within 5 minutes, di ba? Dun sa training mo in Bing Talk.
Yes po.
Okay. So that's for the cancellation. Let me go back to number 3. Okay, can you read it, Teacher Howard?
Please write down the time frame and precautions for the completion of the course.
Okay, so can you tell me what have you learned so far?
So sorry, ma'am. I think I haven't finished this topic on the training.
The completion of the course. Okay, maybe Teacher Jeraine, how about you?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't remember this part so far.
Okay. For IELTS first. As you can see here, class detail page, it's still pending. So you enter the teaching plan IELTS. Hindi ko na yan gagalawin kasi pending class pa yan. Ang gagalawin ko, ang i-open ko is yung class yesterday. As you can see, ito, completed class na siya. So every time you will have a class, you make sure that at the end of the 50-minute duration, balik ka dito, tingnan mo kung completed siya. Kasi baka clinic mo na yung complete, yung pala hindi pa siya completed. So just try to do it again. Teaching plan IELTS, BSR, copy paste, right? INSYS to open. So you do the warm up, right? And then tapos na, homework. For it to fit to page, make it zoom out. Dito siya, save successfully, complete, confirm, submitted successfully. So yun yung, pag chinek mo dito, ano na siya, completed na siya. Actually, completed na naman siya talaga. Completed. So that's for IELTS. For GE, di ba, Teacher Christina, di ba sabi ko, you will do the classes in PlusWeb, but you will complete in iTunes So
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to show it to you. What are the buttons that you can press? Teacher Clarice. So yung today, yung yesterday. So general English, this one. Class detail page. As you can see here, completed na to. Completed. I should show pala the hindi pa complete tonight. Let's see this one. Normal lesson. So ayan, there are more buttons here. Wait a minute, let me make that bigger. So ito, completed save. yan yung pipindutin mo. So, pagkatapos mong mag-complete save dyan, this should be completed, not pending. Teacher Cristel, same here with you. So in some instances, that's GE, let me see BE. Sometimes may ibang pop-up dito na basta it's like another button that you can press, you can click, that will mean complete save then. So pag hindi ito yung nakita mo, you can see other buttons other than yung mga teacher emergency cancel, student emergency cancel. Yung may mga ibang buttons pa dito, yun yung i-click mo for complete. So complete save lang or whichever button na may pop-up. Kasi she doesn't have other classes. I'll show you probably Teacher Weekly, mas marami siyang class. Log out. Teacher Weekly. Yan, you see, ang dami niyang klase. So, check password. Wait a minute. Puro GE, BE. Yeah, anyway, puro mostly ganun pala, completed save. I'll just give you screenshots of the other pop-ups na pwedeng meron dito for completion. Okay, so let me go back to the questions here. Next would be, so please write down the time frame and precautions for completion of the course. So in the case of IELTS, kunwari, because the duration is 50, same with GE. Precautions would be you need to click the save and complete and confirm. But in some instances, Teacher Jeraine, Teacher Howard, yung band score feedback, pag hindi pa complete yon, let's say kulang yung encoding nyo, minsan hindi siya magko-complete. So, pababalikin kayo dun sa section na hindi nyo nagawa. Let's say hindi nyo na-click ang scoring or kulang ang encoding nyo sa band score feedback, it won't complete and it will have a pop-up and lead you to which part you need to complete more. Because let's say in the band score feedback, there's a requirement to put at least 10 words per criteria. So that's why I would always mention, have some notepad that you can pre-put in there so that you won't start from zero, but just delete which one is not applicable in that class or make it a little bit more personalized. Is that clear, Teacher
Yes.
Howard?
Yes.
Jeraine?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Completion of the course. In your case, Teacher Cristel, Teacher Christina, di ba may notes doon? Teacher Christina, na-view mo na ba yung class at saka yung website?
Yes po.
Meron kasi dong notes that while you type, you need to save, keep on saving, so that whatever it is that you're working on, it won't disappear.
Noted yan.
Okay. Next would be, please write down the purpose of the assignment and the frequency of the operation. Have you studied this part, assignment? Teacher Christina.
Yes po. That's for retention.
Retention? What do you mean?
Yes, the retention of knowledge to the students.
No. Assignment is here. It's in the teacher system as well. Here, task, assignment. So, ang ginawa ko is nag-right click ako, open in new tab. So, ganyan siya. You need to click whatever is your assignment. Kung merong, let's say you failed to open daily required minimum hour, you just need to fill it up and then click done so that it won't appear unfinished overtime on my side. So you should do this preferably by the end of the week as well. Para pagdating ng Monday, when I check it, it's already completed. Hindi na siya mag-generate ng finished overtime. Ang mangyayari sa kanya is done. So no data for you pagka ganun. Okay. That's the assignment. Next would be, I think we're about to finish. Number 5, can you read this, Teacher Christelle?
Please write down the following 4 scenarios, how the teacher should handle them and how to communicate with the TA or TM. The first one is the student is late. Second, the student is absent. Third, the teacher is unwell and needs to cancel the lesson. And fourth, the class has started, but the internet is disconnected in the middle of the course and the class cannot be continued.
Okay, for the first one, I think I've mentioned to you for class cancellation, right? I've mentioned to you the class cancellation, am I right?
Yes.
Yes, Mel.
Yes,
So-
Yes,
miss.
you did.
So let's say something happened to you like this one, number 3, you're unwell and you need to cancel the lesson. So what you need to do, Teacher Howard?
You need to go to the teacher page, ma'am, and you need to click what particular
Class
type of
ID.
absent. Oh, yes. Then you need to copy the class ID, inform the TA and the TM, and then wait for the confirmation of the TA.
So
Ma'am.
you inform about the cancellation. Make sure if you inform the TA to always try to apologize and say thank you, be polite, and what else? Mention some valid reason. Don't mention that I'm canceling the class because I woke up late, because you will be losing our trust.
Yes, ma'am.
TM and TA, because I often monitor the Skype messages as well. Also, for the TAs, when they receive your message, it's what they tell your student. They will also apologize in your behalf. So you don't say, I'm sorry, I have something like a personal matter that I need to attend to. Don't say something general. You have to make sure that your TA, TM, and students will understand why you are canceling the class. So if you say something general, parang how everyone will understand you if you say something happened to you, some personal urgent matter happened to you. You have to be specific what happened so that we can understand what really happened to you. That's why you need to cancel the class. Okay. So when it comes to when student is late and when student is absent, what is it that you need to click on your system, Teacher Christina, if the student is late? Teacher Christina.
Wait, yeah, I'm checking my notes. Student.
So we will discuss when student is late or student is absent. Or
I-
also when the internet is disconnected in the middle of the course and class cannot be continued. Maybe I
Yeah,
should
what I
show you.
remember is we have to wait for 25 minutes
That's when
for
the
the student.
student didn't appear. When the student did not appear, you need to wait for 25 minutes. Okay, let me share it. Wait a minute. Share screen. So you can see the entirety of my screen. Let's say you are canceling this class. Copy ID, paste it here, put your message, tag your TA at. For IELTS, you need to add TAs. Mamaya papakita ko yung sa IELTS. But this one is for GE. As you can see, let's say the class is 4 o'clock. Student hasn't arrived in your VOOV. Papasok lang sila sa VOOV nyo. So you need to click class remind. Click, and then you will say, TA, good afternoon, with class ID. Please remind my student of our class now. I'm waiting for her in my meeting room. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's one, kung wala pa si student. Let's say dumating na si student, you can message again. No need to put all of this information kasi kakasabi mo lang, di ba? You can say student arrived. So let's say student did not arrive. Then you need to inform TA that student didn't arrive and you already waited 25 minutes because 25 minutes is the standard waiting time for the class. So you can say that TA, this student did not arrive. Please tag SAB, student absent, if it's an ET class. But if it's an NL class, pwede mo nang itag SAB here. So SAB is student absent. Click this and save. But you need to inform TA that first, nag-class remind ka, clinic mo to, class remind. Pag hindi dumating, wait for 25 minutes and then inform TA. Student did not arrive. If it's ET, sasabihin mo kay TA, please tag SAB. Pero pag NL, you can say, I already waited for 25 minutes, SAB. So, I'll tag it SAB. Ganon. Okay? Claro? Questions? Walang tanong. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. How about on IELTS, ma'am? Is it
On
the
IELTS,
same?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo nga naman. I forgot. IELTS. Let me see IELTS. TA. Yeah, ito. TA group. So, Teacher Chenny, ito. At TA English. Kailangan mag-highlight siya. You remember you always message me, Teacher Harold, but it won't, Harold ba? Howard?
Howard, no.
Howard. It won't pop up. Why? Because you don't tag me. Kailangan i-@Mary mo ko para magna-notify sa akin. Get it?
Yes.
So yan. At TA English, class ID, sinabi niya, NL class, good afternoon TA, I've clicked class remind, please get in touch with my student. Thanks. Ayan, nag-inform siya with me now. So ngayon,
Yes,
pag hindi dumating, magme-message sa ulit. Ayan. Student did not enter the class, waited for, actually 25 lang dapat, mark the class
Student
sabi.
is absent. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Klaro na, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So ito yung merong student is waiting for you. Did you drop the line? Tapos sabi niya, got power interruption already with the student now. So parati yan, automatic. Please extend class time. So let's say, nawala ka ng 3 minutes. Ang makeup time mo, it's always double the time. Kung nawala ka ng 3 minutes, makeup time mo is 6 minutes. So when you're already doing the makeup, you can say, I'm very sorry, student, that there's a sudden power interruption, but I have my power backup. So now I will have to extend the class time. So let's say you're discussing na, and then it's time for you to do extra time for the makeup makeup class, right? You need to make it clear for the student, okay, I'm extending the class time. Kasi minsan, nag-extend class time na si teacher, hindi pa na-recognize ni student na yun na pala yung bayad mo sa class time. You're already extending the class time. You need to mention para alam niya. So all the time, if you had, let's say, equipment issue, internet issue, blah, 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 always apologize to your student and ask student, do you wish to continue or do you want to reschedule the class? Don't always assume that, parang isipin mo, sayang naman. In as much as nandyan na si student, nandito na ako, somehow sumasagot naman siya sa akin, pero you know there's something wrong with your connection. Network is unstable or maybe kunwari may something wrong with your equipment. Do not assume na okay kay student kasi baka after the class, irereklamo ka niya. So always check if there's something wrong, internet, whatever. It can be network, kunwari may latency or may delay, or your audio is probably not working right, or video, hindi siya nag-open. Always ask, student, I'm sorry, but my video all of a sudden didn't work right now. Is it okay to continue or you want to reschedule the class? And also inform TA that anong nangyayari sa class so that they can always double check with the student and ask, okay, student, teacher Howard is having a problem with his, let's say, video cam. Is it okay for you to continue even if it's a little defective? So let them decide. Para claro, it means we have proof that you already informed your TA here, but then they said, please continue with the class. So that's our proof that if ever there will be a future complaint, you can have this as the proof that, but you said to continue, even if I mentioned something is wrong with the audio. Get it? Claro ba?
Yes, po.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see kung meron pa. Share screen here. So we talked about student late, student absent, when you are unwell, or any emergency for that matter. I always suggest for the teacher, if there's like a, let's say an outage, a provincial outage, and let's say your main internet and even your internet backup did not work because of the provincial-wide outage, have the announcement. So it's good to follow, let's say you have PLDT or Converge or whatever. So in case there will be future work, you can be notified timely. Then you can take a screenshot of that, send to TA, send to me, so that you can also cancel ahead. And also, you can also file for a dispute for cancellation in as much as you have your two backup, except that it's provincial wide. So we will appeal for dispute for that. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, when something is wrong with internet or any issue on your equipment, please notify your TA and then ask your student if okay to continue. So basically, whatever irregular that happened in the class, if it's something irregular, always notify TA. Questions?
None.
No more. Okay, we're done. So I'll any questions that